remember coming here years ago, River Street, with Marjorie and your mum, and there was a candle place made these fancy candles, all wax candles, had all these interesting sort of patterns on them. I bought one for Mum. I think she's still got it. Wow, look at all this.
A lot of construction.
Where's all the old cobblestone streets? So this is where old meets new.
Yes. I've worked this job site actually.
This one here?
Yep. I've been welding the steel seawall. It's just a standard wall that will withstand the hurricanes and stuff of that nature.
So possibly next time I come, this could all be complete.
Absolutely.
Which is kind of a shame, I think, to have the old here and these new modern places, but I don't know.
The nice
Depends how
thing
it works.
is because of the size, you can see the bricks. They're doing not like a new brick
Are
and
they like
mortar.
reusing old bricks, or like new bricks made to look like old bricks?
I think they're new bricks made to look like old bricks.
Oh, indeed. It's
Yep, little microscope. No motorcycles for sale.
here we go. Now we got the rough old cobblestone footpath. Where did we eat last time? Further down there it was.
Yes.
Nice area to come. Have lunch and a drink. Now I think I remember walking up some steep steps somewhere.
Oh, probably way back there.
Yeah. That was years ago with your mum and Marjorie. So like I think this is really nice. Being at this modern Hyatt Regency looks just every day. What's that across the river over there?
That is the International Trade and Convention Center.
Uh-huh.
A lot of shows there. And it's wild. Right across the river to those warehouses. That's my home company.
Okay.
Where they got the cranes and stuff.
Yep. Maybe it was those stairs we went up years ago. So here we are in the modern area underneath the Hyatt Regency. It's still got the nice old cobblestone driveway, a train track running up the middle. The Georgia Queen.
Expensive to go out. I think it's like $50 for a meal, and that includes the meal and going out. You want to try one?
What is it?
It's a praline. Absolutely.
Try a glazed pecan, they're nuts. Sir, you want some?
They're nuts.
Only if they're nuts.
Glazed pecan's so good they stop traffic, everybody.
Huh. You must have worked at Disneyland.
Yeah.
On the Jungle Cruise. Is that where you wet your willy?
Yep. also have fannies on the beach.
Which is a female's
Right, right.
over in Australia, but here means your butt. I have to spend more time down here next time.
Absolutely.
I reckon I'll need at least 4 or 5 days here next time. At
We can
least.
actually go into some of the stores here.
Yeah.
Stores, museums.
Spend more
What?
time.
Fanny's your aunt. Have you ever had Spankies?
Nope.
Oh, there. If you like the waffle fries, you might like this.
What are they?
They have fried chicken, which is served with honey horseradish sauce. It's
Yeah?
more honey than it is horseradish. It's enough to give this really weird, delicious flavor.
Joe's Crab Shack. Old Harbour Inn. Oh, exotic cigars. If you have to come down here next time. And the tacky touristy shop at the end.
Tell you what,